Hi. Another component of on-page SEO is to make sure that your content fulfills the topic requirement. It should provide each and every detail that can be searched. It will help you in two ways. First, it will help you to rank higher in Google. Second, you will rank for more keywords. But how to do it? It's very simple. First, you have to manually check the top ranking pages. Your competitors might have wrote down something about that. You can visit their website and check what they have covered in their content. You can add more detail and can rank higher. Second, you can check the keyword of those pages. They might have used some keywords. So you can check their keywords, do competitor analysis, and in return, you can rank for those keywords as well. Additionally, your keywords too. Third, you can use AI to find subtopics. It will help you to generate more content and you can grow more quickly on Google.